Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Webmoney to Binance. So first we have to do is go ahead and open our Binance since we're going to get our wallet address. So let's go here. So once you're in here, you just have to tap on deposit right here. So once you click on that one, just go ahead and tap on deposit crypto. And from here, we have to select the coin. So just search for the coin. So let's say, for example, we're going to be choosing Bitcoin. So in here, we also have to choose the network. So that is BNB Smart Chain. And from here is the deposit address that we need. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and copy everything, copy the wallet address. So you will just see a copy button from there. So just have to click on that one to automatically copy everything. So once you're done copying that, go ahead and go back to the Webmoney. So in here, we're just going to click on this one, the dots. And from here, we just have to click on the cryptocurrency right here. So from here, we just have to choose Bitcoin since that is what we're going to be withdrawing. And also go ahead and tap on withdraw Bitcoin. So since I haven't had my passport verification procedure, so it says here that my passport level is insufficient to perform withdrawals to top-ups. So you first have to, of course, you have to go through the data verification procedure. So you have to upload your passport or any government ID. You have to upload it, your personal details, and once you have done with that, then you will be able to withdraw Bitcoin right here. So once you see the withdrawal of Bitcoin, just have to paste the wallet address and also put the amount that you're going to be sending to Binance, and just have to verify everything if it's correct and then confirm the transaction. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!